and 1 month left. My doctor shakes his head. He don't look so good, he should get some rest. Ba-dum-ba-ba-ba. Oh. Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Before I Die by Boywithuke. I just reacted to this video of him singing live for the first time maskless, so if you haven't seen that, go check out that video. And if you're ready to learn the song, then grab your ukuleles and make sure they're in tune. G, C, E, A, standard ukulele tuning. And you're supposed to have a capo on the 4th fret, but if you don't have a capo, you can put a pencil here, strap it down tight with some rubber bands or some shoelaces, or you can even just play the song without the capo. It's just going to be a lower pitch, so nothing wrong with that. Let's go ahead and get to the chords. This song is a really good friendly beginner song, so if you're new to a ukulele, it's a good song to start with. So let's get to the chords. All right, so there are only 3 chords in this song, and just like I said, they're super easy, super beginner friendly, so let's just jump right into them. It is the same 3 chords for the entire song, and he plays them in the same order that I'm giving them to you right now. So the first chord is a D minor. Here, let me show you guys without the capo because it's a little bit easier to see when my fingers aren't bundled up. So the first chord is a D minor, which is your pointer finger on the 3rd string of the 1st fret, ring finger, 2nd string, 2nd fret, and middle finger, top string of the 2nd fret. D minor. The chord after that is A minor 7, which is literally just all the open strings like this. And then the final chord is F, which is just pointer finger, 3rd string of the 1st fret, and middle finger, top string of the 2nd fret. And if you guys notice, that is very similar to the D minor, except just not with your ring finger. So F, then you go to D minor. So that's a super easy switch while you're playing. So in order, D minor, A minor 7, and then F. And those are all the chords, guys. Super, super easy. But when you have the capo on, it's gonna sound a little bit higher, and it's gonna sound like this. Which is closer to the pitch that the song is played in. So let's get to the strumming pattern. The strumming pattern is the same for the verses and the chorus and everything. He does one kind of cool strumming pattern in the live version that I will show you as like a bonus strumming pattern, but the main strumming pattern for the entire song is the one that he uses for almost every song and almost every ukulele player knows and plays, which is down, down, up, down, up. So if you're new and you've never done that, practice this strumming pattern because this one is used with like almost every song. Down, down, up, down, up. And I like to use like the nails of my fingers to do it because I don't like to use a pick. So down, down, up, down, up. And then after you get used to playing it, it kind of turns into like a little rhythm, and then it's just muscle memory. So the verses and the chorus and the entire song with that strum pattern is going to sound like this. And remember, down, down, up, down, up 1 time on D minor, 1 time on A minor 7, but then twice on F. Unless it's one of those parts where he goes like, play it, and then he'll sing, and then he'll only play the F 1 time and stop and go like, ba-da-ba-ba-bum. But other than that, it's 1 time on D minor, 1 time on A minor 7, and 2 times on F. So the entire song is basically going to sound like this. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. All right, so let's go ahead and try and play and sing a little bit of this song. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 month left. My doctor shakes his head. He don't look so good, you should get some rest. Ba-dum-ba-ba-ba. I'm trying hard not to vomit on my bed. He says I should say goodbye to all my friends. Before I die, I need a little bit, I just need a little bit more. Before I die, I just wanna be rich, I don't wanna die poor. Before I die, I wanna marry her, then I wanna divorce. Before I die, I don't wanna die young, I just wanna live more. I need to practice that. Before I die, I need a little bit, I just need a little. Before I die, I need Alright, for those of you that want that bonus strumming pattern, let me show you what that is like. It's the one that he does the cool little beat thing. I'm still learning this, but let me try my best to show you and explain it to you. So basically it sounds like this. As you can see, it's pretty hard, but it's basically hit, strum up, strum down, but mute it with your palm, then down with your thumb, up with your finger, down with your finger, smack. So all together, like with the first chord, it'll sound. That one's really tricky and really hard, but once I learn it, and once you guys learn it, it'll sound really cool. Well, I hope that helped you guys learn how to play Before I Die by Boywithuke. Excuse my singing if it sounds a little off beat or whatever. This is a newer song, so I still need to practice and sing it before I do a full, complete cover. But yeah, I hope it helped you guys learn this song. Super easy, very beginner friendly. And if you guys like this stuff or want to see more stuff that I do, I also have a gaming channel, and I also do random vlogs and covers of songs on here. So you don't just have to watch my tutorials. I have other things too, guys. So I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, peace out.